Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $600 from one reel using Manychat. I'm going to walk you through how to use Manychat, and I'm going to show you how you can make this super easy reel that converts too. Okay, so first, what is Manychat? Manychat is an automated chatbot that you can use on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. So for example, when you're on Instagram and you see a post and someone says, comment with the word such and such, and I'll send you the link in your DMs, that's what Manychat does. It'll automatically send the person the link in their DMs. It'll DM them the message. And by the way, if you want to watch this free class called 7 Hacks to Instantly Look Amazing on Video, then just click the link below. You can sign up right there. After you take this class, you're going to feel like her. Yes, Penelope from the Netflix series Bridgerton. Seriously. Okay, so let me show you how I did this. First up, I'm going to show you this super easy reel I made, the call to action that it led to, and how I set it all up inside Manychat. Okay, so first up is the reel. This is the reel that I made, and it took me less than 5 minutes to make, which just shows you how powerful B-roll reels are. B-roll is video footage of you not talking to the camera. So it's video of you doing something else. Like this is not B-roll. This, on the other hand, is B-roll. You can see in this video that I'm prepping for my live training while my puppy is in my lap. And full disclosure, I do think that my puppy helped me get more views. So if you have a puppy, I do recommend having your puppy in your videos. I mean, not all of them, unless you're a dog trainer or something, but try it out. Your puppy, I think, will boost your online business. Okay, next up, you want to lead your viewers into a call to action. So in most cases, that call to action will lead them to a freebie where you can grow your email list or to book a discovery call. Something that definitely will move that needle forward in your business. In my case, it led to a free training that I was holding called 7 Hacks to Instantly Look Amazing on Video. And although it led to a free training, the way that I made $600 from this particular reel is because some of the people who commented on this reel signed up from the link that Manychat sent them. They then attended my training and then chose to work with me on a deeper level by joining me inside one of my paid programs that I invited them to at the end of the class. And now, here's how to use Manychat so you can have reels that grow your business too. Now, before you publish your reel on Instagram, you want to set this all up in Manychat beforehand. All right, here's how to do it. Oh, and you can click the link below this video to join Manychat for free. Yes, they have a free version and of course paid versions too. Okay, once you are all logged in, then you're going to click on automation on the left here. Then click on new automation, and I'm going to show you how to create an automation by saying comment with, a word, and I'll send you the link in your DMs. So we're going to now click on convert your Instagram comments into sales. Then set up template. And you're going to click on user comments on your post or reel. And then from here, you can choose which reel, or if you have the paid version, you can just click all posts or reels, which makes it a lot easier. Because otherwise, if you have the free version, you're going to have to post your reel first, publish it, and then immediately come here and set it up. So for this example, I'm just going to click on all posts or reels and hit continue. And then we are going to add our keyword. So I'm going to just say hacks, comment with the word hacks, and I'm going to click on continue. And then right here, you can set up public replies in the feed. So when someone does comment with the word, you can automatically reply back with a comment, or you can personalize it and type in, what you would like to say. So I'll just say, yay, can't wait for you to look amazing on video. The link is in your DMs. With a smiley yippee face. Okay, so you can continue to do that, or you could leave the ones that are here. And then you're gonna click on save. Oops, I forgot to. For you to look amazing on video. Make sure and double check what you wrote. At least I have to double check. Okay, click on save. And then you're going to go to the reply. So go ahead and click on this box, reply in DM. And I'm gonna go ahead and I already wrote this out, so I'm just gonna paste it. I wrote, woohoo, so excited for you to look hands down amazing on video. Here's a link to join the free class. Can't wait to see you there. Then you're going to click on this button, and you can change the button title. I'm just gonna put sign up here, and then it's not going to be that tutorial, so let's get rid of that. And then you're going to choose what happens when they press the button. So in this step, they're actually going to go to my website, a website page, and I'm going to just put the link in here, right there. And then I'm going to click on done. That's how you set it up. Then you're going to click on set live, and it'll say automation is live. Your trigger has been turned on automatically. So that's how easy it is. And actually, let's go back here and title this. So I'm just going to call this comment hacks. And then I'm going to hit return, and that way I know what it is. And there you go. And then what's cool is you can get the analytics as well. So it'll tell you how many DMs were sent and delivered, how many people opened, and how many people clicked, which is pretty awesome. And that's how simple it is. In my opinion, automated chatbots have really changed the game on Instagram because it makes it so easy to actually grow your business, to grow your email list, to, nurture your audience on a deeper level by leading them to that next step. Because quite frankly, hardly anyone would click link in bio, right? They would hardly ever go to your profile page and click that link. So this has been such a powerful tool. Okay, so remember, you can join Manychat for free. The link is below this video. And if you want the 7 hacks to instantly look amazing on video, you can sign up below as well for that free class. Alrighty, if this video was helpful, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. And let me know in the comments, are you gonna try out Manychat? I hope you do, because it's so amazing. All right, let me know in the comments. I'll see you later.